Good morning, all of you. In our previous class, we have started the topic that is articles, and from that class itself, we got to know that we can divide the articles into two categories, and they are definite and indefinite articles. And we also discussed the uses of the indefinite articles, which are a and an. So students, today we are going to proceed to the next category of article, that is definite article. Now students, let me tell you the uses of the. Here in this list, number 1 uses, the is used when we refer to a particular thing or person. For example, give me the pen lying on the table. So students, in the example itself, you can see that the speaker is not referring to any pen, but instead he or she is referring to a particular pen that is lying on the table. That's why we have used the article the before this noun. And it is the very first use of the, that is, we have to use this definite article before a thing or person which is particular in nature. Now come to the second point. A or an is used when we refer to a particular person or thing for the first time, but the is used when we speak of that person or thing afterwards. For example, a man come to our house yesterday, and number B, the man wanted to talk to father. So students, whenever you get a paragraph regarding a particular thing or regarding the same thing or the same person, so whenever you will talk about that person or thing for the first time, we will use a or an according to the noun. But when we refer to that thing or person for the second time, we have to use the, because we have already know about which we are talking. That's why in the example itself, in the first example and in the second, in both the cases we are talking about the same man, but in the first case we don't know about the man, we did not know about that man. That's why we have used a before the noun man. But in the second case, we have already known about this man. That's why here before the noun man we have used the article, that is the. Now come to the third point. The is used with seas, oceans, rivers, mountain ranges, etc. For example, the Narmada, the Himalaya, the Pacific Ocean, etc. So students, whenever you will get the names of seas, oceans, rivers, mountain ranges, anything of that, you have to put the before all this. Next, when there is only one noun of the kind being referred to, for example, the earth, sun, etc. It means that the noun which are only one in number, as we already also know that earth and sun, they are the only planets. That's why we have put the before it. Next one. With proper nouns like names of holy books, famous buildings, mountains, monuments, newspapers, trains, ships, etc., we use the. Say for example, the Holy Quran, the Red Fort, the Assam Tribune, the Rajdhani, etc. Now, the next one, with superlative degrees. Say for example, the most intelligent, the tallest, etc. So students, whenever you get a superlative degree in a sentence, as mentioned here also, like the tallest, the most intelligent, then the biggest, all this, before all these things, all the superlative degrees, we have to put the. Next, to show the position of the noun, say for example, the first, the second, etc. So I hope students you have got to know the uses of the properly, but still if you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. Now let me proceed to the next topic, that is where we can't use the article the. So number one is with proper nouns. For example, we live in the India, that is wrong, but we live in India, it is correct. But why? In earlier rules, we have got that with some proper nouns like holy books, famous buildings, monuments, newspaper, we can use the article the. But there are some proper nouns like the name of a country, we can't put the before it. That's why we live in the India is incorrect. But we live in India is correct because we can't put the before the name of a country. Now the next point is with uncountable nouns. Say for example, I need the sugar to make tea is incorrect, but I need sugar to make tea. It is correct. So here students, in these two examples, the noun that is sugar is uncountable. That's why we can't put the before it. Instead, there will be no article before this noun. So students, this much for today, and with it we have already finished the topic, that is article. But students, tomorrow we shall have a detailed discussion, means I'll give you a brief summary on all these articles all together tomorrow once again. But for now it is an end to our today's class, and here is your home assignments for today. Thank you so much.